Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
हांव पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष बी ना, हांव सादारणसो मंत्री ह्या सरकारान आनी ते बी जुनियर मनीस. ते म्हाका विचारून फायदो उत्तर कितें गावता ना ते तुमी तांकां दोगांक विचारचें पडटलें. हांव कितें सांगू दोगूय कितें उलयलें ते
तुमी आशिल्ले न्ही
हांव खंय म्हाजो फोटो दिसलो तुका
आसा फोटो
वॉट अबाउट एक्सेप्टेड
रिसीव करपाक आशिल्लो
सर कितें एक्सेप्टेड आसता तुमची आतां अपकमिंग 22 इलेक्शनाची
काय ना एक्सपेक्ट कितें सत्तेर परत येवपाची एक्सपेक्टेशन आसा न्ही. आमी घरा वचपाक कितें इलेक्शन लडयना. Pharmacist at that counter whose role is very important. Many times we see, but in Goa we are very, we are very adaptive and we encourage people to move forward and do their thing. But then we serve also, which is very important. You have to understand, keep on upgrading your knowledge. And I was just going to suggest actually, when I was told to come here today, is that if FDA can conduct on a regular basis, free at the cost of the government, workshops on a regular basis where the pharmacist knowledge can be upgraded and new innovations and new things. We talk about pricing and all that, I understand. Regulatory authorities go and